During the just ended ZANU-PF annual conference in Mutare, President Emmerson Mnangagwa outmaneuvered Vice President Kosano Chiwenga by securing party resolution to extend his rule beyond his 2028 second-term constitutional limit to 2030. Sabina mashoko bwanyu kwachinzi Chiwenga is lost a battle, not the war, not by subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tinoona nomu bwanyu kwa mchinzi. This move allows Mnangagwa to remain in power until 2030, despite strong opposition from Chiwenga and his allies, who say the plan is unconstitutional. Analysts say the 2030 agenda to extend Mnangagwa's rule through the back door is a constitutional coup. This is happening across Africa as incumbents seek to extend their tenures by circumventing or removing term limits. Mnangagwa has joined many other leaders who have done that. Key events leading up to and during the conference illustrate how Mnangagwa gained the upper hand. In the weeks before the event, Chiwenga submitted a dossier to the Politburo accusing some businessmen with close ties to Mnangagwa of state capture and industrial-scale corruption. Mnangagwa's faction, however, dismissed Chiwenga's dossier as fundamentally flawed and treasonous, effectively diffusing its impact. The Chiwenga dossier was culmination of a campaign he had been running since January, directly and by proxy, through war veterans, particularly Blessed Geza. The campaign peaked in March as they tried to push out Mnangagwa through mass action. He resisted and survived before a pushback through daring changes in the army, Chiwenga's supposed power base, and pegs in the party. Despite the Chiwenga faction crusade, Mnangagwa was loyalist mobilized grassroots support for the ED 2030 campaign. It became a seesaw battle, but Mnangagwa's camp held firm. At the Mutare conference held from 13 to 18, delegates formally endorsed a resolution directing government to initiate legislative amendments needed to extend the presidential term. Mnangagwa's camp successfully anchored the term extension proposal within the party, the loyalists using ZANU-PF structures to ensure the resolution passed. That highlighted Mnangagwa's control over the party machinery, diminishing Chiwenga's role and influence as kingmaker, dating back to the 2017 coup against the later former President Robert Mugabe. Chiwenga played a leading role in removing Mugabe and installing Mnangagwa. He believed Mnangagwa would allow him to be his successor. Toma miro azvikaita mhuri yeZimbabwe nguva ino. Mbori dzemafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro aiwa pemabattles arimo the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.